What's going on, Skippy here. Got a job today at one of our satellite stores. Let me show you. Okay, this is a switch I put in a long time ago. And today we're going to put a DVR in here and straighten up all the stuff in here. So we're going to put a monitor up here, a rack-mounted 24-port PoE right here, and then we're going to put the DVR on top. I did all these wires about, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. These are all the cameras. They're all PoE. So I just got to put a switch in here, in there, put the DVR on top, and then the monitor, okay? And then straighten up. AT&T did all that crap when they put this in here. So I'm gonna straighten that up as well. Okay, I'll show you that when I'm done. All right, we got everything set up. Let me show you what I did. Okay, so starting at the top, I put this monitor in here. Just an AOC $100 piece of crap. There's our, don't steal my IP addresses, but there's the AT&T internet. That's the NVR on top with the white mouse hanging out of it. And then right here, I put the switch in here. Hooked up all the, got a lot of cameras that are out. I'm gonna have to come back here and put new cameras up, but there's about 20 of them out there. Then I straightened up, like I said, I was gonna straighten up all in here. This is a 40 gig dedicated connection right here, and this is a gigabyte dedicated connection. So this is a 40 gig backup. And then the Sonic wall, of course, the cameras are going behind the Sonic wall, so I mean in front of it. So none of the cameras are on my Sonic wall. They're connected directly to AT&T. Okay. So there you go. Battery backup down there. Bing, bada boom.